Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a face unlock onto your Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, let's simply head into the settings. Then, let's scroll down a little and go into passwords and security. And here at the top we have screen lock, fingerprint unlock and of course face unlock. So, let's go with simply face unlock. But first thing, to draw our pattern. Of course, if you don't have a pattern set up, you will need to set up your pattern. And now we have a nice information that we have to make sure that all parts of ourselves are clearly visible. We don't want to wear any accessories that might cover our face, and we want to keep our face evenly lit and avoid direct light. This is because normally you don't actually exist in such harsh lighting conditions, and in such normal cases you will actually use the fingerprint unlock, the face unlock. So let's pick up the device, let's hit start, and now we have the face unlock. We have the attention that face unlock is less secure than a pin, password or a pattern, and your device might be unlocked with your photo as well as people or objects with similar appearance. This is completely understandable and pretty nice for them to say that. So let's load our camera, and as you can see I am doing a little face reveal, and we want to simply... oh, I didn't even manage to say anything. Well, as you can see, let's do like a... I don't know. I'm really surprised that it took that quick. That was pretty fast. Let's try to unlock, I guess, our phone with that. So I will click it, and let's simply unlock our phone. We do have this, so now we should be able to, just move our finger and not care about the pattern or fingerprint unlock. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.